Up now, next topic is adder and subtractor. Okay, so a question either they'll give you from the adder or they'll give you from the subtractor. No, I'm not saying that there is 100% chance, but there is 80% chance कि इनमें से तुम्हारा कोई टॉपिक आएगा. ओके तो मैंने पढ़ाया था कि बोला था कि वो आएगा तो आएगा, क्योंकि तुम्हारे मैंने देखा है मणिपाल का पैटर्न चेंज नहीं करते, ये बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली चेंज नहीं करते. जैसे तुम्हारे 80 या 70% क्वेश्चन फिक्स होते हैं कि इस टॉपिक में से देंगे ही देंगे, पैटर्न भी सेम रखते हैं. तो 30% only they'll make the changes. Still see how there are many students getting backlog in B. And if they'll change the pattern every time, तो क्या होगा ना. Okay, now see, binary adder is divided into two categories. One is known as the half adder, another one is known as the full adder. Similarly, for the subtractor, we'll have half subtractor and we'll have full subtractor. Okay, half adder means in this we'll have two inputs only, A and B. Full adder means in this we'll have three inputs, A, B and C. Similarly, half subtractor will have two inputs, A, B, and for the full subtractor we'll have three inputs, A, B and C. Got it? Now for the half adder, like as you know, it is adding, and whenever we'll add, like if I'll add 9 plus 8, so 9 plus 8 is how much? 17, right? So 1 is the carry. So this one is the carry in their language and 7 is the sum. Okay. So in terms of digital, you should know 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Obviously, 1 plus 0 is also 1. But 1 plus 1 is how much? Here the sum is 0, but 1 is the carry. Okay. तो ये 10 आता है हमारी लैंग्वेज में, बट इन देयर लैंग्वेज 1 इज द कैरी and sum is the 0. Got it? Now for half adder, if I'll draw the table, अगर टेबल बनाएंगे तो suppose first one is for half adder. Half adder means two inputs are there, right? So one of the input is A, another of the input is B, sum is represented by S and carry is represented by C, correct? Now I told you if there are two inputs, then how many are the possible combinations? Can you tell me? 4, right. Times 0, 2 times 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Correct? Then add it. 0 plus 0 is 0, carry is 0 plus 1 is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, carry is 0. But now in this case 1 plus 1 is 0, but the carry is 1, right? Similarly, we'll have to do it for the full adder. As I told you, the full adder will have three inputs, correct? So it would be A, B, C, sum and carry. So it would be 4 times 0, 4 times 1. You get 3 possible sets. Rest for 3. How many are the possible combination? That will be 8. So it would be 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, then 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Correct? So now you tell me, complete this table and then tell me what would be the for the sum and what would be for the carry. It would be 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. यही है. Then carry is 0, 1 1 1, right? Okay, now next thing what we need to do, we have to write down the expression for the sum and for the carry, for half adder and for the full adder both. So whenever we need to find out the expression, we have to use K map. Okay. Okay, I remember I told you up to here, but as I told you with that K map नहीं आएगा तो ये आएगा, है ना? Like suppose this is A, this is B, 0 1 0 1. Let's do for the sum first. Okay, if I'll write down the number over here, 0 1, right? 0 1 2 3. So for sum 0 पे क्या है? 0, 1 पे 1 है, 2 पे 1 है and 3 पे 0 है, correct? Similarly we can do it for carry, right? इसमें तो सिर्फ पे 1 है, मतलब यहाँ पे 1. So 1, this is for carry, correct? So now tell me the expression. No pairing is done, कोई pairing, and in this also. Now tell me the expression for the sum and as well as for carry. For the full adder, sum expression is this one, right? And carry expression is 1. Similarly, for the half adder, sum expression A dot B. Sum expression is A dash B plus A dash. XOR carry expression is A dot B, that is AND gate. Okay. First step, draw truth table. Second step, draw K map. Third step, create expression from that. Fourth, last step, you need to draw, realize the expression by using logic gate. Like for half adder, we'll have some expression is A bar B plus AB bar, right? So as you know, this is the XOR gate, correct? Put XOR gate for sum, right? Similarly for carry, A and the both are connected with the AND gate. That would be carry A dot, right? This is for the half adder. Similarly, draw it for the full adder. But see here, carry expression is this one, but we have to make some changes in the sum expression. How can we make it? Like suppose one of the things bar B bar C is A bar B bar C. Then have this is the sum expression bar bar plus C plus A B bar C. Correct? Can we take common from these two terms? Similarly, can we take C bar common from these two terms? Right? And then we need to simplify it now. So what would be the expression A bar B bar plus AB? If I'll take C bar common, it would A bar B plus bar, right? So as you know, it's an again. Can I say that C in XOR A? 1 minute. चले इसको solve करते हैं. Like it is A bar B bar AB. This one is the XNOR gate, right? And this one is the XOR gate, correct? Can I say that? Let us consider y is equal to A bar B plus AB bar. I have considered. Let us consider. So if I put y bar, then it would be how much? XOR ka bar is XNOR. Can I say that y bar is A bar B bar plus AB XOR है and this one is XNOR, correct? यहाँ पे अगर if we'll write it in terms of y, then C that would be y bar, right? Then plus c bar, this one is we have as y, correct? Now again this is c into y bar plus c bar y. This is the expression for XOR gate. Here I don't see c XOR y, yes or no? Then I'm again substituting the y value, that would be XOR y is how much? A bar b plus ab bar. So can I write down y is equal to XOR b? So that would be 4. So this is the final expression. Got it after the simplification of sum, correct? Now realize it by using logic gates for the sum and for the carry. Carry expression is this one. Sum expression we got it as a or b XOR. Do it now. See, realize it. Told you inline ले लो. Like in this will have 3 variable, right? A. So first one is sum XOR, sum expression, sum, right? A XOR b. Then carry का expression a b is a. Then we'll have b will have c and, right? Okay. Then we need to add it up of. So finally we got it as plus. ये हो गया तुम्हारा फुल एडर का. Similarly you half adder का I told. Understood? In this they can ask you that you draw adder using half adder. It suppose this is half adder, and in half adder what will have for this, right? In this will provide two inputs, A and B. They are providing two inputs, have sum and carry the two, correct? So agar if I'll show it by the gate, sum का XOR gate, right? And gate, right? So इस box में exactly, right? So now you have to decide a full adder by using a full input A, correct? और adder में will have two output, sum and carry, okay? But हमें अब use only we have to use half and combining with, ना? देखो कैसे half add 1 and this one would, तो एक input आई, एक sum है, one is carry. sum की input आएगी, जो भी तुम्हारे sum की output आएगी, that from the input का another half, okay? Then and दोनों को combine तो फाइनल कैरी, ओके? सम आ जाएगा. तो अब तुम्हें इसमें दूसरा इनपुट भी, एक इनपुट इनपुट है. अब अगर हम ओवरऑल देखेंगे, हमने कितने दे दी, एक 3 इनपुट दे और कितनी आउटपुट आई, आउटपुट, राइट? हाफ एडर के टर्म्स में देखें 2 इनपुट दी, यहाँ पे भी सम आया और कैरी आया, लाइक थोड़ा बहुत ये तुम्हें याद करना। हाउ कैन वी कंबाइन हाफ एडर टू मेक अ फुल एडर? ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी तुम्हारे पेपर में